Hello students, today in this video I am going to discuss some important concepts of chapter gravitation. As we observe that when an object is dropped from some height, it moves in the downward direction towards the earth. Moon revolves around the earth. All the planets revolve around the sun. So in all these cases, the force involved is gravitational force. Now it is said that when Newton was sitting under a tree, an apple fell on him, and with this he started thinking about gravitational force. He thought that if earth can attract apple, so can it attract moon also? In both the cases, the force involved is same or different. He concluded that in both the cases the same force is involved, and that force is gravitational force. Now he argued that each point of its orbit, the moon is attracted towards the earth instead of going straight. So it must be attracted by the earth, but we do not really see moon falling towards the earth. Why? We can understand it with the help of an example. Just take a string and tie a stone with its one end and give rotatory motion to this stone. Now what will you see? The stone will move in this way. Now as you will release the thread, what will happen? The stone will move in the stone will move in the straight direction, in the tangential direction. So here a force is involved that is known as centripetal force. Now what is the centripetal force? When stone was moving in the circular path, a force is acting towards the center. This force is known as centripetal force, which is attracting the stone towards the center. And as you will release the stone, then the stone will move straight. So in the case of moon and earth also, a centripetal force is acting, which is attracting the moon towards the earth. If this force vanishes, अगर ये force खत्म हो जाए तो the moon will pursue a uniform straight line motion. Now next question is that if earth attracts an apple, so apple will also attract the earth according to third law of motion, that is action reaction. But we never see earth moving towards the apple. We see apple moving towards the earth. Now why? What is the reason for that? It is also one very important question. So we know according to second law of motion that acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. As mass will increase, the acceleration will decrease. So in the case of earth and apple, mass of earth is very much greater than mass of apple. So acceleration in earth will be very less than apple. It will be nearly equal to 0. That's why we never see earth moving towards apple, but we see apple moving towards the earth. And we know that all the planets revolve around the sun. So it means gravitational force is not only present in earth, moon, apple, but it is present in all the objects of universe, and this force is known as gravitational force. So hope you have understood some basic concepts related to gravitation. Now in next video we will discuss about universal law of gravitation and free fall. Thank you.